Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Binance Gift Card. It's actually pretty easy. So first off, just go log into your Binance account. Now go to the top left, tap on 3 horizontal lines. And in here, go ahead and find, at the very bottom, more services. Tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down, until you find the others section right here. And as you can see, we have gift cards. So just tap on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, tap on OK. Now in here, before you can open the Binance Gift Card section, make sure that your account is verified. Also, creating gift cards is only limited to entity accounts which have passed KYB verification. So in here, as you can see, I only have the redeem section. If you can create or send, well, that's much better. So in here, if you just want to check the value of your specific card or gift card, well, just tap on this option right here. Enter the 16 digits card number and just hit on check. If it's available, it'll just tell you. And if you want to redeem it, well, just go out and go back right here and just tap on redeem to crypto. And again, enter the 16 characters and digits and letters right here, or the code. Just tap on redeem. And the daily limit right here is 120 codes, amounting 20,000 USD. So if you want to ask for the validity of a specific gift card, well, gift cards, as of April 10, 2024, expires 6 months from their creation date. And again, only KYC verified Binance users can redeem these cards. And gift cards can be used to send or even receive over 340 cryptocurrencies. And there you have it. That is how you use the Binance Gift Card. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.